Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that one day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said to me, "O Aisha, do you have anything to eat?" I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, we have nothing to eat." He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "Then I am observing fast." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam then went out. Later, we were given something as a present and some guests also arrived. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam again came, I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, we were given something as a present and some guests also came and I have kept some of it back for you." He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "What is it?" I submitted, "It is hais." He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "Fetch it." I fetched it and he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam consumed it. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam then said, "I awake in the morning fasting." Talha states, I narrated this hadith with the same authority to Mujahid. He whereupon said, "It is as if someone sets aside alms from his property. Now it is up to him to pay it or not." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2707.